How to enable the ultra dark mode on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable ultra dark mode on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, let's see the default or the normal dark mode. For that, swipe down from the top right, long press on your this brightness and then tap on this dark mode option. Doing that, you'll have changed into dark mode. Even better, you can change your dark mode to, you can even use a black wallpaper to be more dark. So let's do that here first. And so this is what our traditional dark mode looks like. So to make this even darker, what you can do is long press on on your home screen, tap on the edit option on the top left, then tap on customize. After you tap on customize, you can even change your icons into dark. So as you can see now, even the icon is dark. If you use the tinted option, everything will get darker, even darker, according to your background, that is your wallpaper. So let's just keep it dark for now. Now, after this, now the final setting that you'll need to do is head over to your settings and you'll need to come to this display and text size settings. For that, you will need to first come up to your settings, scroll down till you find accessibility. Then under accessibility, you'll see display and text size. Scroll down and there you'll find reduce white points option. Simply tap on that and then you can increase the intensity for it. After you increase the intensity for it, you'll notice that your iPhone is now even darker. And this is how you can enable ultra dark mode on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.